Alright everyone, today we're making grilled lamb chops. You see the movement between the two bones over here? That's where we're gonna make our cut, right there. So we can make them separate chops. There we go. That looks good. Alright, and this is the seasoning I'm using. You can use anything you want. You can add or remove whatever you want. I like oregano, rosemary leaves, garlic, onions, Lawry seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Feel free to do whatever you want. Here's another patch I'm doing. Okay, let's get the chocolate going. Nice and hot. They cook very fast, so keep an eye on them. There's the other side, looking good. Probably overcharged the one in the middle over there, but it's okay. There we go. It's done. Medium rare. Enjoy.